What's up, my sussy buckers? It's your boy Imposter, and today we're reacting to OPILA Bird origin story. It's blue. Wait, is she not the OPILA Bird? Go. Nigga, she's like an ostrich. But
Oh my god. Oh, what is this place?
I don't know.
What do we have here?
Oh no!
Who are you?
I should be asking the very same question.
I used to go to this kindergarten. I think.
Oh, you did
It's
you?
Ban Ban!
You must remember me.
What the? What's going on in this place? What are you? And what was that freaking bird thing that was chasing me?
Oh, our dear OPILA bird. She's certainly memorable, isn't she? But you know, she wasn't always this terrifying. OPILA was actually a human once, just like you are.
She was?
Oh.
What happened?
Now, I'm not going to spoil all the fun.
Hey yo.
OPILA was actually this kindergarten's very own art teacher. Yes,
Art
she was
teacher?
a wonderful instructor, great with children, even though she herself had a less than ideal upbringing. You see, OPILA didn't exactly have many friends growing up. She always seemed to have a hard time making friends, and was treated like
The
an
bird.
outcast.
Oh no.
And the few companions she found in nature were often shooed away by other children. They were relentless, always putting OPILA
Freak,
down,
dummy,
laughing,
loser,
and calling her awful names.
bird
It
brain.
was so bad, in fact, that she often was forced to eat her lunches alone in order to avoid the unending bullying from her classmates, which meant she spent a lot of time in the school's abandoned art room.
Art room?
And while she was still lonely, at least here she could doodle and just be herself without fear. Being secluded in that room meant that she had a lot of time to practice her drawing skills. Every day, over and over and over again, her parents became increasingly concerned about her lack of friends, so they decided to get her someone to talk to.
Who? A bird? Oh, that's the same OPILA bird.
Hi. Oh, hi.
At last,
It's
someone
a
to have
parrot!
conversation with who wasn't going to ridicule and humiliate her.
It's a parrot.
Would you want to look at my drawings? I think you might like them.
The two hit it off right away.
I think we're gonna get along real nice.
Quickly, the bird became her only true friend, and for once, OPILA felt happy. Though unfortunately, it didn't help her at school. The
What do you
countless
mean?
days spent in solitude were wearing on her.
Whoa, this is actually kind of good.
As it turned
She's
out,
drawing
OPILA was turning into a
the
very good
bird.
artist, an amazing
Wait,
one even.
did she
Until one
name
day,
him or
She
her?
decided to enter into a drawing contest at school with all of her
Friday Night
classmates.
Funkin'!
OPILA was so
Lucky
nervous what the others would say,
Charms!
but she actually won. She decided.
Wait, hey,
So
let me
one
go
day,
back.
She decided
That's the house, that's the cat and the
to enter
dog.
into a drawing contest at school.
There's Friday Night Funkin' and wait, that's Player. Player as boyfriend and Player in Among Us.
All of her classmates.
Lucky Charms. They're magically delicious.
OPILA was so nervous of what the others would say, but she actually won. She decided then and there that this is what she wanted to do with the rest of her life. And she did everything possible to make her new dream of being an artist a reality.
Go OPILA, go
Tragedy
OPILA.
struck. OPILA's annoying cousin Kevin moved back to town after
Kevin?
spending some time away at boarding school. He also had an interest in painting, so their parents thought it would be a good idea for them to spend some time together.
Birds? They're so lame.
Boy, you're lame.
I like birds.
Yeah, well, they're stupid and ugly and annoying. They're not even good pets.
Take that back!
They are good
Fine.
pets.
You're stupid and ugly and annoying.
And for the first time, OPILA decided to stand up for herself. She wasn't going to take this bullying anymore, especially from some punk like Kevin.
Oh my god.
Hey, what the heck is wrong with you?
Look who's ugly now!
That's it. You're gonna pay for that.
What's
Fly away, little guy.
Oh!
Oh my god.
Apilla waited all day and night for the bird to return.
He left.
But it was long gone, and from that day, Apilla and Kevin were arch enemies. Unfortunately, they were the same age and went to the same school, so it was impossible for Apilla to avoid him. He made her life miserable, picking on her every chance he got.
They're saying the
encouraging
same
others
thing
to
all
pile
over
on.
again.
Plus, they both were still interested in painting.
Game
so
2
they
is the same
constantly
thing
were
all
around
over
one
again
another
that they
in the
said
art
from
room,
the
too.
start.
They were both working on a big project, a design for the new mural to be painted on the side of the school. Whoever's drawing was selected was given a prestigious award, one that could get you into any art program in the country. They both wanted it more than anything. But while Apilla seemed confident in her
Go,
work,
Apilla.
Kevin struggled to come up with any good ideas of his own. So he decided to take hers.
What?
Apilla waited weeks to hear back about her design, but she was never contacted. Then one day, she realized why.
Kevin? What are you
Oh
doing?
my god.
That's my design!
Oh, really? Because the judges told me you never submitted one.
Huh? Wait. Did you? Ugh! You stole my design, you jerk!
Oh, yeah? Prove it.
He's gonna pay for this. Don't know how, but he will.
And that was Apilla's final straw. Her devotion to her art was so strong that it led her to do something she'd regret later.
Oh my god.
I'll show him.
What? How could this have happened?
She felt a rush. This was sweet revenge for what he did to her. Unfortunately, she was eventually caught. Apilla was expelled for vandalizing the mural, while Kevin went on to a prestigious painting academy. He became very successful, while she was just a wannabe artist who peaked in high school. Her only creative outlet was more vandalism, which made it nearly impossible to find a job.
Except
Convenience
for...
stores, restaurants, even pizza deliveries all denied her based on
Dang.
her troubled past. That is, until she stumbled onto a very special flyer.
Anyone, you say?
Hey guys, see that little gray speck right there? That's in Among Us.
And she finally found her place. She played a huge part
Ban
of the
Ban's
kindergarten's own
kindergarten.
success. Many of the paintings that grace these walls were the work of dear Apilla, and children flocked to see her colorful characters. She livened up the place, played with the children, and taught them about art. But when class sizes started to dwindle, Apilla knew the end of Ban's kindergarten was near. But she was desperate. She couldn't lose this job, so she decided to speak with the principal directly.
Excuse me, sir? I know things are
Oh
looking bleak
no.
around here.
That's when he was in his monster Ban form. He was actually gray hair.
But I want you to know that without this job, I don't know how I'll be able to buy groceries or pay my rent. Please don't fire me. I'll do anything.
Oh, don't worry, my dear Apilla.
Apilla, you're stupid. If I was her, I'd say please. And I would just say, fine, if you won't say anything, I quit. But she said, please, I'll do anything. Now that anything's gonna get you in trouble, you're gonna turn into an ostrich knockoff, an Apilla bird.
It's been a pleasure having you as an employee. In fact, come with me and
Hey,
I'll be sure
look
you
how he's
never have to
built!
leave
My
ever
guy's built
again.
like a pizza.
Don't worry, this is for your own good. I transformed her. I gave her
That's
new
for her.
life.
Oh my god!
From then on, she became our beloved Apilla bird.
Apilla bird.
You know, you might make a lovely test subject as well.
I don't think so.
Well, he did deserve it. Run for it. Run fast as you can like the... Oh my god!
No,
She was like, I know Kung Fu.
please.
But cock? Okay, my sissy buckets, that's end for today. If you want me to react to some more videos, we can. I'll see you guys all in the next one. Goodbye.